Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can get these new glasses. I think they were inspired by the one Vanilla wore with this headpiece. I don't know, but I think it looks pretty similar. So we all know about these glasses. They have a square and circle toggle, but now these glasses, they actually have 6 toggles now. So this is the usual one we have, and now we have the like rounder, I don't know, shape. I think this is pretty cool. So yeah, that's the new toggle. I don't think, well, I haven't seen people post a lot about these, or maybe I'm just outdated, but that's where you can find it. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.